Hi everyone. So in this we will be studying text before and text after function in Excel. So suppose you want to get the first name from this Walter Tobias Miller. So what I will do is equals to text before, select my column name, comma, I want like text before first delimiter. So, and if I put enter, so you can see Walter first name come over here. So in this way you can extract first name from the complete name. And similarly, if you want to get the last name, so what is text after, so suppose here we have two spaces over here, so I want my last name to here. So what I will do is simply put comma, space is delimiter, and comma, instance is 2. So you can see a Miller come over here. If I drag down over here, as last name is not present over here, so we won't be able to see the last name over here. Thank you.